Here I have the Garmin AMOLED Sapphire Phoenix 8 51mm version. There's a reason I purchased this, and again, this is not just for the purposes of unboxing. This is gonna be my upgrade to the current Garmin watch that I have, which is the Fenix 5. And the reason I'm upgrading is primarily because of one very silly reason, and that is because obviously this is old because I got this in 2018, but you can't really tell the time at nighttime because it doesn't automatically light up when you move your wrist around. Right now it's quite bright, so the numbers and everything on the screen is very readable, but during nighttime you always have to press this light, and only then can you tell the time, as you probably saw now when my hand was covering it. And that is the reason it made me want to upgrade to this. Now, Garmin has had better watches than the Fenix 5 even before the Fenix 8 came out, but I thought like maybe I'll wait for the next version, and finally I made the jump and I went to the Rebel Sport today and I actually got this, and I'm quite happy that I got this today. So without any further ado, let's just unbox this and see what comes in the box. I really want to see, because again, I haven't watched any review videos. I went in basically blind because I wanted to have raw experience of what's going to be in the box, how the design has changed, and also I wanted to see, is the charging method actually changed or not, because the way you charge the Fenix 5, I really don't like it, and I hope they've come up with a brand new way of charging. I really hope they've done that, like similar to how you charge your Galaxy Watch or your Apple Watch. I really hope it's a puck. I have not watched, again, I'm saying this again, I have not watched any review videos because I wanted raw experience. So yeah, let's just unbox this now. So it might be hard to unbox it this way, but I don't know. Let's just take the sleeve out. And what we can see here is basically a Garmin branding. There's nothing on this side, nothing on the back, just a few pull tabs right here. And yeah, that's basically it. So maybe let's just take the pull tab out and we'll tear this, and after I tear this I cannot return it. And again, this is the 51mm version, which is the most expensive one, because the Fenix 8 51mm here in Australia cost about, I think, 2,049 Australian dollars, and that is a very big money for a smartwatch. So let's just unbox this. I don't care. So let's just take it out of the box. Okay, and what we get here is the watch itself, and this is what it looks like. And I forgot the actual naming because I think this is your titanium black carbon sapphire AMOLED display. I'll put the full name on the title of this video anyways, but yeah, this is obviously a sticker. It doesn't come powered on, so I'm gonna have to take this out of the box, take the sticker away. But this is the watch. Look how good this looks compared to my old one. Obviously, because this is the old version and the new version obviously would have some sort of improvement, so it would not be a really fair comparison. But this is much better looking compared to this, so I really like this, and I really think that this is gonna be a much worthy and much needed upgrade on my end. And I really wanna start to hike, because long ago I used to hike, but I haven't been hiking for the past couple of years. So with this watch, I really want to use this watch to the, like maximum capability and offering that this has to provide. But let's see, I'm not gonna make any promises, but let's continue with the unboxing now. So you have, I think, two boxes right here and one just underneath the watch, but let me put the watch to the side for now. Okay, let's see what we get in this one right here. So we have a cable here, and it seems, oh no, my hopes are gone. This is the same freaking charger that you have for the Fenix 5. Oh my god, seriously? No innovation on the charging after like all these years? Seriously? So a USB-C to this weird charging. I really don't like this. Damn, I really hope that this would be better, but okay, that's fine. Okay, let's put the charger to the side, and what do we get on the other side here? Let's see. That's basically a booklet. So it's the Garmin Fenix 8 Premium AMOLED Multisport GPS watch, and I think this is just your how-to book, which obviously we're not gonna read it anyway, so I'm just gonna put it to the side for now. So I'm gonna put this down, and we're gonna go back to the box that's in the watch right here. The band actually feels kind of good. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. Let me try and open it because this feels a little bit hard to do so. Oh wow, There's nothing. It's just to shape the watch. Okay, that was fun to, you know, like experience. But let's come here. So this is the watch, 51 millimeters. Obviously, it's a little bit bigger than I think my Fenix 5. And let me show you, you know, the exterior of the watch. So there are 3 buttons on this side, on the left side, and 2 buttons on the right side. This right here apparently is some sort of protecting mechanism for the sensors and I think the gyro or the accelerometer that's inside of the watch. In this variant, this actually looks good, but some people, I think in the natural titanium color of the steel right here, or whatever this metal is called, like they've said that they don't like it because that variant comes with like an accent color on this protector, which is I think orange, which matches the band, but this is actually quite good. This is like much more stealthier, and the reason I chose this color is because if you are going to some sort of semi-casual or semi-formal or even a formal, like, you know, like party or some sort of celebration or gathering, this actually blends in a little bit better. It's not gonna be, you know, like perfect, but this blends in a little bit better than your natural titanium with your orange band. So I thought like, let's just go with much more stealthier look. So hence I actually chose this version. So yeah, that's the button that we have on the outside. If we look at the back, we have all these different kind of sensors. Obviously, this is where you connect your charger. This is no different. Let me just take my Fenix 5 out and then I can show you as well. If we have a look at the back, so the charging is more or less the same. We can, you know, like basically look here. This is my Fenix 5 on my right hand, and the charging looks very similar as you can see here. The sensors obviously have improved because we're talking about a watch that came in 2018 versus the watch that came in 2024, and that too late 2024. And you can see the pattern for the sensors here is much different to the pattern on my Fenix 5. So yeah, I think this is going to be much better. That's basically everything on the outside. Now let me do the unwrapping or the sticker removal because that's always fun to do. Okay, so this is the display. And again, the display doesn't really change because this watch comes, I think, in 3 variants. One is the 43 millimeter, the other is 47 millimeter, and again, this is the 51 millimeter. The 47 millimeter and the 51 millimeter, the display size is the same, so you're not losing on much. The only difference is the 51 millimeter has more battery than the 47 millimeter, and that's it. There's no extra functionalities or features that you pay for this, but the pricing, at least here in Australia, is different as well. So if you go the 47 millimeter route for this specific watch, you pay in Australia 1,849 Australian dollars, and for the 51 millimeters, you pay 2,049 Australian dollars, and that's a lot. So let's see how we power this on. I don't know. I'm just gonna press this button, which has the play pause. So let me just press that, and I think I'm gonna have to stop recording just to pair the watch because I need to use my iPhone, and I'm recording this video from my iPhone. So yeah, let's just keep on pressing. Maybe this doesn't have any battery, and I might need to charge it. So I don't know. I need to figure something out. But let me try pressing all the buttons for a few seconds, and let's see if something powers this on or not. Okay, I've tried 3 buttons already. Okay, it's powered on now. So it was this button right here, the top left button, and it does seem to be powering on. What I'll do is, if I need to set this up, obviously I need to stop the recording, and I might start to set this up off camera and then continue on the recording and show you how the watch looks once everything is set up. So let me just do that. Oh, as I was like ending, like look at the animation here. This is something like, I'm glad that I was able to like instantly record to not miss this. This animation was like amazing. This is something that I haven't seen, to be honest. Let me, I think, like finish all this like power up. Like let's continue doing that. So okay, like English, I think this is the select button. So it says pair phone to enable connected features. Okay, now I'll stop the recording to continue setting this up. Okay, so the watch has now been set up, and I really love this because when my wrist is down, the display is off, and when I turn it like this, I can see the time and everything is much more readable, and I don't have to worry if it's the nighttime because I don't have to press any buttons to be able to see the time. So I'm really happy about that, and I really love the size of this watch. It feels bigger than my Fenix 5, and I'm really excited to experience this watch, all the features and functionalities that this has. That would be quite interesting. I still need to complete the setup. This has not been fully set up. The only thing I did off camera was basically pair this with my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I just want to experience over the course of a couple of weeks to see how beneficial this watch is going to be for me and what sort of functionalities I can actually make use of in my daily life, as well as when I'm going out and about. What I'm gonna do now is I think I'm gonna end the video here, and then I'm gonna get this watch charging. I'll make sure the battery is charged up to the 100%, and then I'm gonna continue on adding all the apps that I really need to put on this watch, and then I will watch some of the review videos and find out more about this watch, just so that, you know, I now can go and like learn about this watch, because the unboxing is done and I had the raw experience that I really wanted. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end this video right here. So thank you for watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.